Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Hello everyone, it's Ola here again, and today we are going to paint some Christmas cards because it's gonna be Christmas soon. But these cards are not usual, they are funny ones. So look at this is nice. So I will show you how to paint them step by step. So let's get started. And today we're going to make some holiday funny Christmas cards. So I've already made some pencil pattern. There are 3 of them. The first with an owl, the second with a crab, and the third with a ball, the symbol of this year. So for the first picture, so I need 2 brushes. The first one I use is round squirrel brush, number, well, I don't remember, about 4 or 5 size, and synthetic brush Rubloff number 4. It's sharp, but it's round as well. Okay, so let's get started. This funny art should be festive. Now I'm going to pre-wet the paint, so with some sprays. Okay, I wet my brush, then I take green color, this one, and I'm starting with the simple lines here. Yes, making round shape. Now I'm painting fir tree twigs, so using the simple lines. Also you can add some warm color in here, make them a little bit warmer. Here it is, we can see the round shape already. It looks pretty simple. I'm going to paint the owl. It should look a little bit of a brown color. First of all, I would pre-wet this owl. So I put the color here, ochre, yes, and to take some of the brownish. Okay, leave the white spaces around eyes. Here, some fur of a bird here, yes, so it looks more natural, more casual. We are going to paint some of the berries here, put some red color. Sorry, I'm going to paint holy. So I'm leaving the white space here to show that this actually is round, yes? So other leaves are left of the holly, so we're gonna paint them as well. Oops, that's too much water, I guess. Never mind. I can take some of the blue color so it looks nice. So this owl is already dry and we can paint the mask. So from this side it should be lighter from the left side, and from the right side it should be darker. Okay. What about eyes? I take black one and apply it. Don't forget to leave the white space. So we should put some of the dark colors here to show that they have shadows. But to make it darker is good. It will look better. Just better, yes. Okay, and just a little bit here. So I'm going to make it a little bit more fluffy, adding some darker shades to the fir tree using dark blue color. So what is left is the title here. I will be home for Christmas. Okay, should be maybe green color, I don't know. So you can take any color you want. You may take a red one or maybe a green one. Yeah, green or red are okay. So that's the finished card. I'll be home for Christmas. So let's go get to the second card. Finish crabby. So I'm going to pre-wet the paper here on the crab like that. Then I take some red color and apply it right up in here. You can also put some orange, yellow, or let's take some yellow here. I'll take some violet, put up in here, because, you know, we have to show the shade. Then I take some red. Take darker and put some shade here. And what about the hat? Yeah, hat of Santa Claus. I can put some violet here. It's okay. It's okay. So let it dry now. Now let's paint some eyes here very carefully. Take the darker paint like violet or blue. And what do we have to do? Is to put some shade on the hat here like that. Put some paint up in here to make it darker, so I can see it's not too dark as it can be. Don't be afraid to paint, because it's a creative process. If something goes wrong, you can just fix it up at any moment. But with watercolors, of course, it is difficult. For example, can you see these drops? Yeah, so I can wash my brush and take it off just like this. But there is still some of the color here, but that's okay. I'm not going to cry over it. So here it is, the writing part here. I take some red and mixing it with black. Santa Claus, but we write Claus as claws of this animal, crab. Santa Claus is crabby, yeah. No, don't be crabby. Santa Claus is coming to town. This is the final look, yes. Let me show you. And the third card is going to be with a ball. So I prevent the paper and then I take some of the brown color to make it more natural. Well, it's like orange and brown, you know. Face of the ball is going to be brown as well. And the ears here also. And the tail. Let's paint the scarf. Take the bright green color. Oh, it looks adorable. Next, what about the hat? Let's put some bright green as well here, leaving the fur. So, well, I'm not satisfied with the body. I should take some orange color, maybe orange, and put some here so it looks nicer. So let's paint some of the presents. I'm using hot pink paint. It's like opera. Okay, and this present here, let it be violet maybe. This looks nice. So the balls, maybe this should be, you know, pink color. So this is the final look. Oh yes. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Give this video a thumb up. So I wish you a happy Merry Christmas. See you soon.